in one and another episode of Glossary and Notes. The first word of this episode is exemplary. EXEMPLARY, exemplary. This is an adjective, and the synonym of this word is imitable. IMITABLE, imitable. Model, MODEL, model. Ideal, IDEAL, ideal. Admirable, ADMIRABLE, admirable. Good, GOOD, good. FINE, fine. Excellent, EXCELLENT, excellent. Worthy, WORTHY, worthy. Estimate, ESTIMATE, estimable, ESTIMABLE, estimable. Condemnable, commendable, COMMENDABLE, commendable. Typical, TYPICAL, typical. Illustrative, ILLUSTRATIV, illustrative. Representative, REPRESENTATIV, representative. Warning, WARNING, warning. इस शब्द का हिंदी में अर्थ होता है अनुकरणीय, आदर्श, आदर्शात्मक, उदाहरणात्मक, नमूने के योग्य. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड ऑफ दिस episode is exhilaration. Exhilaration, EXHILARATION, exhilaration. This is a noun, and the synonym of this word is mirth, MIRTH, mirth. Cheerfulness, CHEERFULNESS, cheerfulness. Refreshment, REFRESHMENT, refreshment. Vitalization, VITALIZATION, vitalization. Stimulation, STIMULATION, stimulation. Cheer, CHEER, cheer. Delight, DELITE, delight. Gladness, GLADNESS, gladness. Inspiration, INSPIRATION, inspiration. Invigoration, INVIGORATION, invigoration. Thrill, THRILL, thrill. प्लेजर, PLEASURE, प्लेजर. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है प्रसन्नता, उल्लास, उमंग, स्फूर्ति, खुशी, आनंद, प्रफुल्लता, हर्षोद्रेक. The next word of this episode is exhort, EXHORT, exhort. The synonym of this word is inspire, EINSPIRE, inspire. Urge, URGE, urge. Encourage, ENCOURAGE, encourage. Appeal, APPEAL, appeal. Advise, ADVISE, advise. Counsel, COUNSEL, counsel. Persuade, PERSUADE, persuade. Stimulate, STIMULATE, stimulate. Incite, INCIT, incite. Enjoin, ENJOIN, enjoin. Entreat, ENTREAT, entreat. इसका अर्थ होता है प्रेरणा देना, सलाह देना, प्रोत्साहित करना, आह्वान करना, समर्थन करना, प्रेरित करना. The next word of this series is exigency, EXIGENCY, exigency. And this is a noun, and the synonym of this word is emergency, EMERGENCY, emergency. Urgency, URGENCY, urgency. Necessity, NECESSITY, necessity. Difficulty, DIFFICULTY, difficulty. Crisis, CRISIS, crisis. Distress, DISTRESS, distress. Strait, STRAIT, strait. इसका हिंदी में अर्थ होता है आपातकालीन स्थिति, परम आवश्यकता, परेशानी, विषम परिस्थिति, कष्ट. The next word of this episode is exiguous, EXIGUOUS, exiguous. Then the synonym of this word is, this is an adjective, and the synonym of this word is meager, MEAGRE, meager. Scanty, SCANTY, scanty. Sparse, SPARSE, sparse. Bare, BARE, bare. Slight, SLIGHT, slight. Slender, SLENDR, slender. Small, SMALL, small. Tiny, TINY, tiny. Paltry, PALTRY, paltry. THIN, thin. इसका हिंदी में अर्थ होता है स्वल्प, अल्प, लघु, थोड़ा. The next word of this episode is exile, exile, exile. This is a noun and the synonym of this word is banishment, banishment, banishment. Expatriation, 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 expatriation. Expulsion, expulsion, expulsion. Dismissal, dismissal, dismissal. Ouster, ouster, ouster. Deportment, deportment, deportment. Exclusion, exclusion, exclusion. Ostracism, 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 ostracism. Proscription, proscription, proscription. Deportation, deportation, deportation. इसका हिंदी में अर्थ होता है देश निकाला, निर्वासन, देश त्याग, निर्वासी, निर्वास, प्रवास, प्रवासी, निर्वासित व्यक्ति. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टुडेज glossary and notes. Thanks, regards.